Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the Google Chrome not opening issue on Windows. So if Google Chrome is not launching, keeps crashing or shows a blank screen on your Windows PC, just follow this simple fixes. First, check if Chrome is already running in the background. For that you need to press Ctrl, Shift and Escape together to open Task Manager. If you find Google Chrome under the apps, right click on it and then press on End Task. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. If the connection is unstable, reconnect and try again. After that, make sure to disable any unnecessary extensions or antivirus temporarily. Some security programs can block Chrome from launching properly. The other thing you can do is restart your computer. For that, you need to press on the Start menu, select the power, and then click on Restart. And then you can try and run your Chrome again. If the issue still continues, try reinstalling Google Chrome. For that you need to go to Start menu, open the settings, click on apps and then click on install app. Search for Google Chrome, tap on the three dots and then tap on uninstall, and then you can later reinstall it again from the Play Store. Lastly, the problem could be due to corrupted Chrome files. Reinstalling or resetting Chrome usually fixes this issue completely. So those were some easy ways to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.